Welcome to my channel, guys. First of all, I got a new microphone, this Shure MV7, I believe it's called. I really like it. As you can see on the upper left here, I'm in this top account. It's 153,263. It started at 150, so I'm just plugging away there. I had a great December, consistent, smooth gains. I'm down on my Tesla swing calls. I have some calls that expire January 27th, so I got some time on those, but it's not looking very good. Excuse me, I'm chewing some gum here. So, at this current point, I'm up $48. I'm flat on the day, and I see a bull flag in ES. I threw a fib from the bottom to the top, just kind of give me an idea, and 50% is about where out of this trend. So I'm looking to potentially scale in anywhere above this area. And I'm watching NQ and I'm watching UVXY, and I'm factoring all that in. So let's get to it. So I'm seeing that candle get bought up, and I'm playing ES here. I have 4 contracts in my order entry, and I'm using hotkeys to enter. So I'm liking the way this candle is holding the 200 SMA, which is a red line. It can dip below, but okay, so I get in 4 ES contracts. It's $50 a point. So they have me down. I'm just fluctuating around break even, down a little bit. It takes a second to update, whatever. Like, you'll see it go from flat to 200, whatever. So I get out there real quick for a $300 loss. But I'm willing to get right back in, so I get in 4. It was a false breakdown. And I'm going to look to scale out 2. Sometimes because I have this Dell display monitor program, it interferes with my sell hotkeys, so I have to close that, but apparently I didn't close it at first. So I actually try to get out, and that just didn't really work. So I'm in the money here. I'm still red on the day. That day P&L right here is my actual P&L on the day. This is unrealized. So if this trade were to go against me, I'd be down $500 to $1,000 depending on slippage and all that. But this is holding up pretty well. It's looking pretty bullish in my opinion. In fact, I should have added on the break here in hindsight. Excuse me, but I usually don't go into 8 contracts unless I'm feeling really... See, I tried to exit there. Didn't. Oops. So it kind of helped me. So I go down to 2 and I hit market out. And then I go down to 1 contract and I hit the offer. So I wanted to get out those highs there right before the highs because it was a stuff. And then so I mark it out there because the worst thing is I don't do it often, but if I were to put an order out on the offer and then it would just stuff, and then I got to cancel and then, you know, mark it out or hit the bid. So I'm trying to hold this last one a little bit longer, but I look down at my points that I'm up, which I'm up like 6.5, 7, 5.25, 6.5. And I'm thinking in my head, okay, 1 more little pop, then I'm out. On the last one. I went from down 3 something to up 7 something in one trade. I don't know why my time and sell is just glitched right there. It's kind of weird. This doesn't look super bullish, but like, I mean, it's not ideal because it's got higher highs, but it's not holding. Volume's dropping off a little bit, but I think I'm still in a good position here. I think, you know, a lot of amateur traders would be like, oh, I'm out just based on that, but this is squeezing higher. And I'm about to get out on the offer. reason why I saw the open right there, we're approaching the blue lines, the open. So I went from, on this trade, I went from down 3 something, like maybe 400, I forget, to up 850. So there's that, and then we fast forward, didn't take any trades there, so let's go here. Oh, I had a few there. I'm tripping. They were small winners, 71. So I'm gonna go to the next decent winner, which is gonna be here. It's a $150,000 account. So see this descending channel here on MES. That's NQ. My apologies. So I get short 2 contracts. So let's rewind this a little bit. So I see we're flagging down here, and I'm playing a continuation play here. So I get short 2 on the market, and I'm looking to get out on the bid if I don't get squeezed. Right below that pink line is prior day close, and the yellow line is prior day high. So we have 2 for the futures. So we have 2. These are MNQ. Okay, so this is not the trade I'm looking for. My apologies, guys. So that was a little $40 trade or whatever. I get back in ES and I put ES and NQ in my order entry. Realize I made a mistake. Okay, so NQ here. I get long 2 NQ. Immediately down. It's holding this level though. It's looking like a W, in my opinion. The risk isn't much. I mean, my stop's just a little bit right below the lows. You know, based on the way the price action moved, and you know, we're coming into the first day after a holiday, so I'm in the money a little bit now. It's going to be a quick trade. I'm not even going to see it all the way to the pivot there, the yellow dash line above. Out. I was just trading P&L there, but I made 234 in that account. Started off the day great. It's like 1,308. 12 something, I guess. Yeah, it was a good day. Not much more to say. I've been crushing it every day. There's like 300 to a couple thousand a day. So in these accounts, and a little bit in my Tradovate, not much. I haven't been trading in my Tradovate, and then my Thinkorswim is down because of the Tesla position. I have like $900 in that, or 700 something. So whatever, it's not a big deal. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I hope you look forward to the content that I'm posting going forward. Thanks a lot.